Hi everybody, my name is Melanie. I'm a certified health and wellness coach through the IAWP, and today I'm coming to you live from my kitchen. My last video I talked about whole foods and what those are and how to incorporate them into your life, so I thought this video would be fitting a nice follow-up on a quick little lunch recipe that incorporates whole foods that's really easy to make, just so it gives you kind of an example of some of the great things that you can make just using whole foods. So today we're going to make an avocado, what's called an avocado vessel. It's just a small little amount of chopped veggies with a light dressing that has olive oil and dill and lemon juice, and just toss it together and toss it in. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is cut our avocado in half and take out the seed. So we're just going to get that. And it's pretty simple. If you've never done it before, you just cut around and then twist it and you can pop it open. Real easy. And I'm just gonna set that on a plate over to the side here. So the easiest way to get the seed out is just take your knife and kind of hit it and then twist it and it pops right out. Real simple. Some of them are a little harder to get out. That one was pretty easy. So now we'll move on. We're gonna chop up some vegetables. So just a small little bit of cucumber. So this recipe is basically just for one serving. So one serving is the whole avocado. That might be a lot for some people, so you could actually make this into two. And we're just gonna dice it up just real small, easy pieces. Now, cucumber is amazing. It's very hydrating. It's good for your skin. It's good for your nails, digestive system, because it has a lot of water in it. So you're getting a little bit of your daily water in with that. Next, we're gonna cut up some radishes. That's the next thing. I'm gonna try to dice these a little small. These just give it a little zest and a little spice, I guess. If you don't like radishes, you can always substitute a different vegetable. I mean, this is a pretty basic recipe. I happen to love this recipe. My kids eat it, they like it. You can substitute any of these vegetables really for things that you like. If you don't like radishes, substitute something else in. There's other crunchy vegetables that you could dice up that would be delicious as well, because avocado is pretty neutral tasting. So we're just gonna put these in our bowl here as we dice them up. So cucumbers, we're gonna do a couple radishes. The recipe calls for two, but like I said, when you're doing this whole food, fresh food stuff, you can just kind of customize it to whatever you like. This main purpose of this video is just to kind of show you how quick and easy it is to actually make whole healthy food lunches. I know when we're talking cooking and all of the stuff with the whole foods, it feels like it's going to be a lot of work. It is a little bit. It takes a little bit more time, but if you plan it right and you can prep multiple things at once, it makes it a lot easier. And it's actually the best tasting foods they don't have a ton of ingredients. So now next we're gonna do a little bit of red onion. This you can substitute with a shallot. Those are a little bit milder. Red onion is kind of what I had on hand today. I didn't have a shallot, so we just went with what I had. We're gonna improvise. So dice that up nice and small. Oops. And I did go ahead and prep our tomato. So it's one tomato seeded. So I went ahead and cut it in half and took the seeds out. So then you just dice this up. And you can do it as chunky or as fine as you like. It's really all your preference. what you like. All right, so there's our vegetables. Super quick. I mean, we're almost done. All we have left to do is to make a little bit of dressing and we're set. Mix it up. So I'm gonna set that to the side. Next comes our dressing. So 2 tablespoons of lemon juice is what goes in our dressing. So I'm just using this quick little juicer that has the measuring thing on the bottom. Super simple. Measures out the right amount so I know what I'm doing here. Plus this catches all your seeds, so you're not gonna have to fish seeds out of your juice, which is really nice. And this half a lemon is pretty much gonna give us our 2 tablespoons. It was a nice sized lemon. So we got our 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And then we're gonna use a little extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of that. This is the brand that I'm using. It's organic, USDA organic, so you're working with getting it as clean of ingredients as possible. So a little sea salt. This is in a grinder, so I'm just gonna grind a little bit in. Don't really have to measure it, just put a little bit in. A little bit of pepper, a few shakes. And we're gonna do, you can do fresh dill in this. I'm doing dried dill, so it's a half a teaspoon. If you're doing fresh dill, it will be about 1 tablespoon. So there's quite a bit of difference. So you wanna make sure that you read the directions carefully. And I'm gonna post a written out version of this recipe too in this at the end, so you can all get that. And then you just wanna mix it up really well with your whisk. Till it's all mixed together. And then dump it in on the veggies. And then we're gonna toss them, stir them all together, make sure they all get covered really well with the sauce. And then you can go ahead and fill your avocado with the salad. So we're gonna go ahead and scoop it in there. This makes a lot of salad, like I said. This could be definitely lunch for 2 because it ends up to be quite a bit for 1 person. There, we're just gonna put that on there for the sake of this video. All right, there you go. A quick, easy lunch made with all whole foods. Avocado is our base. That is really good for you. It holds a lot of vitamins. B1, 2, 3, 5, 6, B9, vitamin C, E, and K. And plus it has a lot of healthy fat, which is very good. It's gonna help keep you full longer and feed your body all the good nutrients that you need. Thanks for watching. So 8 minutes to make this easy, fresh, whole food salad. Until next time, guys, have a great day.